Add some baking soda when boiling eggs, the reason why is incredible. Every problem has a simple solution, and this also applies to boil eggs. It may be a tricky process, but the tricks we're going to show you today will help you save time and boil your eggs perfectly. According to experts, eggs aged 7 to 10 days are ideal for boiling and are easiest to peel. You have probably noticed how some eggs are difficult while others are easier to peel. If you're having problems peeling boiled eggs, all you need to do is add a teaspoon of baking soda in the process. Older eggs are more alkaline and easier to peel, while fresh eggs can be harder to peel. Baking soda will increase the egg's alkalinity, and you'll have no problems peeling them afterwards. Other tips for making the perfect boiled eggs. If you aren't sure how old the eggs are, try this trick: put them in a bowl of water and observe. If they fall to the bottom horizontally, they're fresh. If they fall to the bottom while standing upright, they are ideal for boiling. Eggs that float on the top are too old. Heating the eggs first before boiling them is a great trick against cracks. You should either leave them at room temperature for a couple of hours or put them under hot running water for a few minutes before boiling. The extreme temperature change is the main cause of cracks in the eggshells. If you want to get hard-boiled eggs, you should leave them in cold water before boiling, which will reduce the risk of cracks. If you want your eggs to be softer on the inside, submerge them in boiling water by using a spoon and measure the time. Depending on the size of the egg, you'll need about 3 minutes. Also, make sure that the eggs are completely under water when you're boiling them or they won't be cooked properly. If you overboil them, the yolk will be greenish, while the egg white will become rubbery. After the boiling, submerge the eggs in cold water to peel them off easier. If you want to make scrambled eggs in the shell, give the eggs a shake before boiling them. This is called a golden egg, which got its name from the golden color of the egg within. Some more amazing tips on boiled eggs. How to get rid of sinus inflammations with a boiled egg. Sinusitis is a common condition in which the lining of the sinuses becomes inflamed. It's usually caused by a viral infection and often improves within 2 or 3 weeks. The sinuses are small, air-filled cavities behind your cheekbones and forehead. The mucus produced by your sinuses usually drains into your nose through small channels. In sinusitis, these channels become blocked because the sinus linings are inflamed, swollen. If you experience problems with bad sinus inflammations, this recipe is the perfect solution to help you get rid of them. All you need is just 2 ingredients from your kitchen. You will need 1 hard-boiled egg, cotton towel. Directions: when the egg is boiled, don't peel it off, and while it's still hot, wrap it in a cotton towel and put it on your forehead, in the area between the eyes. Keep the egg on your forehead until it gets cold, and then throw it in thrash. The most important thing is the egg to be as much hotter as possible. You should do this procedure every day until the pain is gone. For some people, the pain disappears after the second treatment. This is very important. Don't eat the egg, because the pain may come back. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.